here with the topic preparation of halo compound. I'll continue with the previous topic that we read yesterday, that is preparation of haloalkanes. Now today we are going to study preparation of haloarine compound. So before starting, I'd like to say that please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more interesting videos. Okay, so we'll start today's topic, that is preparation of haloarenes. So the first method is from arenes. Arenes means we have benzene and its derivative for the preparation of haloarine compound. You know, okay, we have prepared haloalkanes from alcohol. But we cannot use phenol for the preparation of haloarine compound because the relation between the carbon and the oxygen atom of phenol is very strong. So it is very difficult to remove OH group from phenol. That is why we start with arene compound. So we will take benzene with chlorine in the presence of dark. It will form chlorobenzene. Now here any initiating reagent like FeCl3 is necessary. Now by this reaction we can also form another compound, that is bromobenzene. So for this you have to take bromine as a reagent. Again the condition is dark and the reagent is FeBr3 and you are going to have bromobenzene. We will also prepare the compound with toluene like this. If you have compound like toluene, so you can again prepare this by the same reaction. So this is your ortho compound and para compound, because toluene is a ortho para derivative compound. So it is para chloro toluene and it is ortho chloro toluene. Now we can move to the second reaction. Now the second reaction is from aniline. Now aniline is this compound. Now this is being reacted with NaNO2 plus HCl. And the temperature lies between 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. So here the product is this is benzene diazonium chloride. And this reaction is known as diazotization reaction. This is very important reaction in preparation of halogen compound. Now, this product is taken as reactant for preparation of further haloarenes. Now there are two methods. The first method is Sandmeyer reaction. In this reaction, this diazonium chloride is taken as reactant and it is reacted with CuCl. So it is going to convert in chlorobenzene. Now when only copper is taken as a reactant, the reaction is known as Gattermann reaction. So second is Gattermann reaction. So here now we can prepare other compounds also, like we can prepare iodo compound. For this, we will take potassium iodide. Now we can also prepare fluorocompounds.
Okay.
Now when we prepare compound from aniline, aniline is going to be react with sodium nitrite with HCl at 0 degree centigrade. So it is going to prepare benzene diazonium chloride, which is a preparatory substance for any halogen compound, and this is known as diazotization reaction. Now this primary substance benzene diazonium chloride is reacted with copper chloride, then it is going to prepare chlorobenzene. When the other substance is copper chloride, then the reaction is known as Sandmeyer reaction, and when reactant is only copper, then this reaction is known as Gattermann reaction. We can prepare iodo compound by taking reactant as potassium iodide. Now we will prepare fluorocompound. For this reaction, benzene diazonium chloride is getting reacted with HbF4, and this is going to prepare fluorobenzene so we can prepare various type of fluoroalkene compound by this reaction. Now here we are end up with the preparation of all haloalkane and haloarene compound. So in the next topic, I am going to deal with some in-text problem of NCERT book, and that is very interesting. So let us do this. Now we are going to start with our NCERT problem, that is to write all the possible isomer of bromopentane. So let us do this. Isomers of bromopentane. Okay, so bromopentane is written as CH3, CH2, 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 Br. Now this is first isomer. So the name is written as 1-bromopentane. So it is first carbon, second, third, fourth and fifth. So the name is 1-bromopentane. Isomer is only possible when the IUPAC name is different. The second one is 2-bromopentane. Because this bromine is at the second number carbon. Now third one is 3-bromopentane. Fourth one is, now we have to move from pentane to butane. So we will write this like this one. Now, what is the name of this compound? So first of all number this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So here this methyl group is at second number carbon and this bromine is at the first number carbon. So the name of the compound is 2-methyl 1-bromobutane. Now fifth one, CH3CH, CH3, CH2, CH2Br. Now this compound is 3-methyl 1-bromobutane. Now next one is CH3CH, CH3, CHBr, CH3. So this compound is 3-methyl 2-bromobutane. Now seventh one, CH3, C, CH3, Br, CH2, CH3. So this is 2-methyl 2-bromobutane. Now the last one. Now it will be a propane compound. CH3, CCH3, CH3, CH2, Br. So the name of the compound is 2,2-dimethyl 1-bromobutane. Okay. So let me explain you how we are going to write these isomers. You have to move this bromine atom one by one to the different carbon atom till they get the different name. Here it is at the first carbon. Now here it is at the second carbon. Here it is at the third carbon. Now if you move this one to this carbon, which is fourth one. So this is not possible because we will start numbering from this carbon to this carbon. So it is again the 2-bromopentane. So this will be the same as the second one. So only 3 isomers are possible in the pentane. While moving to the butane, here bromine is at the first carbon and methyl group is at the second carbon. Here methyl group is at the third and bromine at the first one. Here methyl group is at the third and the bromine is at the second one. So it is different. And here both methyl and bromine, both groups are at the second number of the carbon atom. So only 4 isomers in the possible in the butane compound. And the last one, which is only one, that is possible in the propane series. Okay, so we will do further NCERT problem in the next lecture. For today, this much is for you. Thank you for watching my video.